Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel, Love of My Life. We know we just got done with the party, and Kelly doesn't tell Nikolai that she's pregnant because Adele and Nikolai come in the house together, and they're all buddy. They just went shopping. She feels, like she doesn't have a chance with him. And Adele tells her that, no, there's no way in heck we'll ever be together, I'm still never going to be over Stefano. So she feels happy about that. And she doesn't want to stress out Adele. They kind of have a few words. And she goes and talks to Isabel. And Isabel tells her, well, yes, Adele doesn't need to stress out, and neither do you. And she's like, what do you mean? She's all, I know you're pregnant. I can tell. So she looks as shocked. Then she goes and tells Nikolai, Kelly tells him that she's pregnant. And then Isabel has Nikolai go over there, and she says, I know she's pregnant, and you two are going to have to marry, So they're both looking like shocked, like, what, Mom, you want us? What? She's all, you need to marry. You're going to have a child together. So you need to marry her. So thank you for tuning in. Let's ride this story out. Let's see how juicy it gets in the next few episodes. Please wear your mask, stay safe, and God bless. Bye-bye.